Welcome back to the channel where it was once you, then it was them. It's all about me, and today it's us. I've divided my backyard into 5 areas, and this is the front of area 1. This is a quick tour of my disaster, all 5 areas. I need to get things in order. I need to reorganize, clean up, but I'm gonna bring you on a journey with me while I do. The kids area, I have 6 grandkids, and I like being out here when they're out here. Whew, just looking at it. Things I'm gonna do, we gotta get started, is tackle this area right here. It's in area 1. These are some collard greens. Now, I thought I had planted collard greens towards the left and spinach towards the right. But if you can see, it's all the same. So I'm gonna harvest it because this area is gonna transform into something new. Let's get started. So I dug up all the plants, and this is what I got. A bag of collard greens. Woohoo! I'm gonna eat today. As I was harvesting, I had 2 piles going. 1, a go back to the compost pile, and 2, these look like I should replant them pile. Like, I was looking at the roots real good and was like, I'm going to replant these and put them somewhere else and see what happens. I don't know, but we should see. I still have my bag of greens, so it's all good. With these roots, I separated into 2 piles. 1, I'm gonna put in the ground. The other, I'm gonna put in some containers. I used some fertilizer I had around the house, and I repotted, making sure that my drainage was good. I think my turnout was okay. I put a couple in this pot and just 1 in this size of a pot. Okay, let's head over to the front of area 1, where I have 6 plants total, and I'm going to be putting them in the ground. 1 right there, 3 right there, and 2 on the gate. So I dig my hole, put some fertilizer, and voila! I'm so happy with the turnout. I just want to encourage you to get in the garden, get it cleaned up, start organizing, get you a little area somewhere, start growing, put a plant in the ground, put 1 in the pot. Look at us. We got some collard greens growing. Oh yeah, back to where we started. I did find caterpillars and I did find worms, but that's a whole nother project.
Like, share, subscribe at ivyamerican.com. Hit the notifications button. Thank you.